Fanuc R2000IB series consists of a variety of 6-axis robots. Common applications for these robots include material handling, palletizing, spot welding, drilling and spindle applications, and more. This series is made up of 16 different models varying in reach, payload, repeatability, and mounting type. The three most common models of the R2000IB series are the 165F, 210F, and 125L variants. The Fanuc R2000IB 165F robot features a horizontal reach of 2,655 millimeters. The payload capacity for this robot peaks at 165 kilograms and has a repeatability of 0.2 millimeters. The Fanuc R2000IB 210F robot offers an extended payload of 210 kilograms, a horizontal reach of 2,655 millimeters, and a repeatability of 0.3 millimeters. And the Fanuc R2000IB 125L robot features an extended horizontal reach of 3,005 millimeters, a payload of 125 kilograms, and a repeatability of 0.2 millimeters.